The 2025 Nissan Rogue takes bold steps forward in redefining the compact SUV experience, combining comfort, tech, and performance in one stunning package that's hard to ignore. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Nissan Rogue arrives with a bolder, more muscular appearance, hinting at the power it holds beneath the hood. The redesigned front grille gives it a commanding road presence, complemented by slimmer yet sharper LED headlights that stretch toward the fenders, giving it a focused, aggressive look. The bumper now has a more sculpted design, improving not only the aesthetics but also the aerodynamics. Under the hood, you'll find a capable turbocharged 1.5-liter three-cylinder engine that pushes out around 201 horsepower, delivering efficient power whether you're cruising city streets or hitting the highway. The wheels, now available in a variety of stylish 18 inches and 19 inches alloys, add a sporty yet refined vibe. The side profile is smooth and fluid, with clean lines running across the length of the vehicle. The side glass gets a darker tint this year for added privacy, and the chrome accents around the windows give it a premium touch. The back end is just as impressive, with sharp taillights, a dual exhaust setup, and a redesigned rear bumper that completes the sporty tone. The door handles, color-matched and integrated smoothly into the body, now include keyless entry sensors for all doors, offering both style and convenience. Inside, the 2025 Rogue boasts a cabin designed for modern families and tech enthusiasts alike. The dashboard is clean and futuristic, highlighted by a floating 12.3-inch digital display and an intuitive 9-inch infotainment touchscreen. Soft touch materials and refined stitching cover much of the dash, elevating the cabin's feel. The side doors feature padded armrests, bottle holders, and beautifully designed trim accents that match the dashboard styling. The gear shifter is compact and now sits next to a wireless charging pad, keeping your phone within easy reach. The engine start-stop button glows softly when you enter the car, adding a sleek, premium vibe. The steering wheel, wrapped in leather with flat-bottom design, offers mounted controls for audio, cruise control, and the digital display ahead. Front and back seats are generously cushioned and come with available heating and ventilation options, plus enhanced lumbar support. For those in the back, there's a unique center table that folds down between the rear seats, perfect for snacks or devices during long trips. Cargo space remains one of Rogue's strongest features, offering over 74 cubic feet when the rear seats are folded flat, plenty of room for luggage, shopping, or weekend gear. The 2025 Nissan Rogue starts at approximately $29,000 for the base model and can reach up to $39,000 fully loaded with all the premium trims and packages. It offers excellent value when compared to competitors in the segment. To sum it all up, the 2025 Nissan Rogue blends technology, design, and performance into one exciting SUV package worth experiencing firsthand. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Turbo Excel for more real car insights every week.